friends, I am Pragna Patel and welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. Day 1, you believed. Day 2, you broke fear. Day 3, you stopped overthinking. Day 4, you built habit. Today, we remove the last big block. ગુજરાતીમાંથી ઇંગ્લિશ ટ્રાન્સલેટ કરવાની habit. If you stop translating, English will start flowing. Let's see a big truth. You don't think in grammar. You think in idea. વિચારો ગ્રામરમાં નથી આવતા. વિચારો ઇમેજીસમાં આવે છે. Translation slows speaking. Thinking in English speeds it up. Now we see why translation is a problem. Here are two problems. Problem number 1. Delay. Gujarati to English translation. Pause. That means delay. Problem number 2. Fear. Perfect sentence બનાવવાનું tension. Fluency means speed and confidence. Now I share a secret rule. Don't think full sentence. Think keywords. Complete sentence नहीं, keywords विचारो. Example. tea. મારે ચા પીવી છે. Don't translate. Think tea. Want now. Brain mouth connection fast થાય. Now some exercises daily thinking English. Exercise number 1. Name things. Example. Table, pen, book, ball, bat. Exercise number 2. Talk to yourself. I am walking. I feel good. મનમાં English બોલો. Exercise number 3. Create a situation. Example, at shop. I want this. How much? Now practical speaking practice. Repeat after me. I think in English. I don't translate. English is natural for me. The day you stop translating, English becomes easy. English મુશ્કેલ નથી, આપણે તેને મુશ્કેલ બનાવીએ છીએ. Think simple, speak freely. Before you close video, understand one life-changing truth. English is not outside you. English is already inside you. English ક્યાંય બહાર નથી, English તમારી અંદર છે. The only thing stopping you till today was translation. Stop translating words. Start feeling ideas. Ideas first. Words will follow. વિચાર પહેલા, શબ્દો આપમેળે આવશે. From today, promise yourself, I will think in English for 5 minutes every day. Not full sentence, not perfect grammar, just natural thinking. The day English becomes you thinking, speaking becomes automatic. English હવે સબ્જેક્ટ નથી, તમારી આદત છે. Thank you so much for watching. Follow for more English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.